we have the next question, question 2. Solve this one. This second ordinary differential equation is non-homogeneous, and then we are using variations of parameters as a method. So the first thing to do without wasting our time is to get the homogeneous parts, get the YH, okay? And that will be equal to, for us to get the YH, the homogeneous parts, then the differential equation will be equal to 0, okay? And if it's equal to 0, then we can get the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is r squared minus 2r plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, then with that, we can factorize this. It's factorizable. Okay, factors of 1 is 1 and 1 times 1. But how do you use 1 and 1 to get minus 2? So that will be minus 1, and then you should multiply them together. That will give you plus. That will give you back the plus, the minus 1, minus 1. So r is equal to what? R1 is equal to what? R2, and that's equal to what? That's equal to that's 1. That's 1. Then in this case now, your solution, the y1 is equal to e what? E to power x. And then your y2 will be equal to what? X, e, x. That's for the repeated roots. Okay, that's what it will be for repeated roots. So then in that case now, we can write the equation yp is equal to v1. Okay. Then let's get the Wroskian w of the functions ex, x. Okay. Let's get the Wroskian of those two functions, and that will be equal to what? The derivative of this one is that function. The derivative of this one is a product rule. So differentiate this, then you have this. Okay, then plus. Keep this one constant and differentiate this, then you have this. Very funny. Differentiate this, keep this one constant, you have this. Then keep this one constant and differentiate this, then you have this. Then you can find the determinants. These determinants are 0. So that will be equal to x into bracket. This will multiply this ex plus x ex, then minus ex into bracket x ex. Okay. Then we can do the expansion. That will be equal to this one times this one. That's e2x plus x e2x. Okay. Then minus this one. That will be x e2x. So this one and this one we cancel. So the Wroskian is e2x. It's not equal to 0, so it is linearly independent. Okay. So with that now, we can go forward. v1 is equal to integral of minus my f of this is my f of x. That's my f of x ex. I think this minus can go outside for the formula. You can take it outside. This f of x squared plus 1 times y2. My y2 is what? X ex, then dx all over what? All over e2x times 1. So don't bother ourselves. So it's always 1. It's always 1 in most questions. So that's Wroskian. So that's times 1. Okay. So and this will give us x e2x. This one numerator. This will come down, and you have 1 over. Don't forget your minus outside. Okay. S squared plus 1. Okay. e2x dx. So e2x we cancel. So want to integrate now. Minus dx x into bracket what? S squared plus 1 dx. And this is very simple. The derivative of the numerator is 2x. Is that not so? But what we have is 2. So it's almost the same. So we're going to force it to be the same. We put 2 here, and then we cancel that 2 outside. Okay? Doing that. So everything you need to know on integration is already uploaded on this channel. Okay, so I don't need to even talk much on this integration. Okay, so in this case now, so this is what we have now, and that will be equal to minus half ln s2 plus 1. So that's that on that case, because the derivative of the denominator is 2x, okay, and then we have manipulated that to be 2x also, and but we cancel that outside, okay, and that's that for v1. That's for v1. Let's get the v2. V2 will be equal to integral of that one has no minus, just f of x y1 as function of x, then the Wroskian. So that'll be equal to what? Um, f of x is what? Ex over s2 plus 1 times y1. My y1 is what? Is already here in front of me. That's ex and then dx. Okay. Then over the Wroskian. Wroskian is just 1 times 1. No, 1 times e2x. Okay. So that, and that will give me numerator times numerator. That's e2x. This one will come down, and that's what s squared plus 1 e2x dx. So e2x will cancel out. Then we just have the integral of what? 1 over s squared plus 1. So this is direct table. So this is just give you your v2 is just arctan x. You don't have to waste time on that. That's your v2. That is a table. Okay. Then that's that on that case. Then we just have to write the yp, the particular solution, which will be equal to v1. What's my v1? My v1, we have it, that's minus half ln s2 plus 1, s2 plus 1, that's the v1, that's my v1, then times y1. My y1 is what? My y1 is ex, times ex. Okay, so if you like now, you can bring it here. I will do the arrangements, then plus v2, which is arctan x times the y2. Y2 is what? X what? X ex. Okay, so let's do the arrangement for this one. Let's do the arrangement for this one. So that will be equal to minus half, and then the ESL can come to the front, ln s2 plus 1. Okay, then plus x ex arctan what? Arctan x. So that's your yp for that question. Yg, the solution is just equal to b. You have this one plus what? Yp. Just input that, and then you're okay for that question. Okay.